proceedings, I nominated my brother Silk, who conducted today's proceedings, so he will kickstart the yes.
Well, thank you. Well, the proceeding today commences with the tendering of documents we think we have in our possession that tends to suggest to us that of disqualification. The withdrawal from senatorial election of Senator Kasim, which was signed and filed with INEC on the 15th of July 2022, and the acceptance of his nomination, which was also filed and served with INEC on the 14th of July. So that documents are before the court. He accepted from what we have seen to be vice presidential candidate on the 14th of July 2022, while still a senatorial candidate for Borno Central constituency. And the both forms were filed with INEC. Those were the first set of documents that the tribunal or the court admitted. The second one is what we have, the certified true copy of the entirety of the record of proceedings from the District Court of Illinois in the United States of America, where $460,000 were forfeited in the proceedings that you will see that involves what appears to be narcotic dishonest substances. So those were the documents we tendered through PW1. They were duly pleaded, we served them, they have it, and everyone has it. So that's what we have done this morning, to bring them before the Honorable Court to see what it will make use of it, and they were all admitted, subject to whoever the order said that they will do whatever objection they say they have at the conclusion. But they were all certified public documents, duly paid for in the United States of American dollars. Thank you. Sorry? Well, the one they gave to us, Exhibit P A1 to 4, are from them, but there are still other relevant documents. As you heard my leader earlier in court, we have issued them what we call subpoena for them to produce. Because they are all public documents, you are entitled to it, I'm entitled to it, everybody is entitled to it upon payment. So they should give us, and they shouldn't hide it. I expect them not to do so, because if they hide them, you will ask questions, why?
Sir, how different is your case, the Shettima case? How different is your case with the one that was moved in the Supreme Court on Friday?
Well, I have not read it. I have not seen that judgment from the Supreme Court. But I think that facts of our case are facts that we need to plead and prove. And we have tendered some documents. So when we get to that bridge, we will cross it. I have not read it. So when I see it, then I will be in a position to tell you. But there is what we call obiter dictum, statement by the way, and the reason for decision. We'll get there, and then we'll be able to do a distinction